Enginetech is actually one good company to work for. It's actually good for customer service as well. When customers call in, they can actually dial an extension for their favorite salesperson, or they don't have any hold times like the other companies do.
And we are very family oriented, and we just don't focus just on the money, but on everybody else and their needs.
The one thing I would like people to know about Enginetech is that a lot of our employees have been here for about more than 10 years, so that speaks a lot about our Enginetech, and I would like to be here for many years to come.
One thing I'd like people to know about Enginetech is that we're very family oriented here. Everybody's looking out for everybody. Also, if anything happens, everybody's very concerned about what may be going on in somebody's life. It's just a really good family atmosphere.
One thing I would like people to know about Enginetech is that we really do appreciate our customer, and we put the customer first, and we go above and beyond to get our customers well taken care of.
One thing I would like people to know about Enginetech is that we do try our best to fulfill each and every one of our customers' orders as much as possible. If something we don't have available, that we do try our best and go to the extra mile to get them what they need exactly.
One thing I would like people to know about Enginetech: we care. We care about your order that comes through. We care about your package. We care about your parts. We care about you getting the correct part at the right time, and that is in the box is what you need. That's why we care.